So we've got the little Honda Civic back from the MOT. Did it pass or did it fail? Keep watching and let's find out. So here's the MOT fail for the Honda Civic. So as you can see, it's failed on suspension mounting, prescribed area, excessively corroded. And that was the near side rear outer sill, so that would have needed welding. And the service brake was binding near side front. That turned out to be a brake caliper that was sticking on, so we've had to replace that. So now we've got an MOT till next year, so that's now got a pass on it. And just a couple of advisories: the stop lamp, the rear stop lamp, that's easy fix. Slight leak of exhaust and slight wear on one of the tyres, so nothing too bad. So the bill for that lot has come to 190, and that's also including an oil and filter change. So we've put some fresh oil in it as well, because I don't know if you remember, it had way too much oil in it anyway. So we've done an oil and filter with some fresh oil. So that's the bill for that, £40 just for the MOT test itself, 165 for that work, so that's not too bad. And obviously I had to have a brake caliper as well, and there you can see the brake caliper there, which is the remanufactured. That comes out at £33 plus the VAT, the £40 for the old unit that we give them back, so that doesn't affect anything. So yeah, not too much expense so far. So let's just take a look outside and see what needed doing welding wise. So there's the near side front, as you can see the new brake caliper in there that's been replaced. Distant pads are all okay, and the welding for the sill, that still looks a bit of a mess at the moment. So that's been repaired, but obviously needs filling and painting now before that's looks nice enough to sell on. So I'll have to get that done next. So there you go, that's our situation that we're at so far with the Honda Civic. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.